Do you recall the time when Steve Jobs first introduced the iPhone? It was groundbreaking, with only 15 apps and no app store. However, the iPhone's true potential was unleashed when Apple launched a dedicated app store. Similarly, Chat GPT is also a fantastic AI technology currently ahead of its time. It can write, it can code, and whatnot, but it lacks access to the latest information. However, that's changing. OpenAI has added plugin support to Chat GPT, enabling it to access up-to-date data, perform calculations, and use third-party services. Users have long requested plugins for Chat GPT as they enable various use cases. OpenAI is starting with a small user base and plans to expand access over time. Plugin developers invited off the waitlist can use OpenAI's documentation to create Chat GPT plugins. The first plugins come from companies like Expedia, Fiscal Note, Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, Milo, OpenTable, Shopify, Slack, Speak, Wolfram, and Zapier. OpenAI itself is also offering 2 plugins, a web browser and a code interpreter. Here's a demo showcasing ChatGPT's meal planning capabilities. The user asks for a set restaurant recommendation, a Sunday recipe, the total calorie count, and ingredient ordering via Instacart. ChatGPT handles it all. Another demo shows ChatGPT helping users catch up on current events. It uses the Bing API for searching and text-based web browsers for navigation. After some research, ChatGPT provides an answer with 2 citations, which users can easily verify. The Code Interpreter plugin is especially useful for solving math problems, data analysis and visualization, and converting files. So what do you think? Are you excited or intimidated by these rapid developments? Tell us in the comments. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for the latest AI news and updates. We will see you in the next video. Peace.